Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the unit over and remove 12 5.5mm screws from the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Peel back the tape and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Remove two 3mm screws from the battery. Replace the battery, and replace the two 3mm screws. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the tape. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the 12 5.5mm screws back into the bottom cover.